How to check Fidelity Bank account number. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a few ways that you can check your Fidelity Bank account number. So let's just get right away. The first thing you can try to do is if you don't have internet connection, or you could check this without the internet connection by using your phone styler. What you could do is just open up your phone styler and then type in the USSD code that is asterisk 70770 and then again asterisk, and after you've done that, type in 5 and then type in hash. Now once you call this number, if your number is connected with your Fidelity account, it will show you your account number. There is another one. If you type in 770, so you can just go ahead and type in 776 here and use this as well to get your account information. The other thing you can do is simply go ahead and use your Fidelity mobile app, or you could use any web browser. You can also check your bank statement or checkbook, and at the bottom of your checkbook there will be your account number. So in order to check it from your website or app, just open it up first, and from here you'll land on your homepage first. So from your homepage at the top left you'll find three lines icon. Then from there, go to account and trade, and then click on account positions. Now from here, you'll be able to see all of your account information, and right below there, you'll find your account number. So that will be how you can check your Fidelity account number. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.